When it comes to purchasing from EZGO Group, there are a few things you should know before making the decision. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 key points that will help you understand exactly what you're getting into, so you can make an informed choice. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether EZGO Group is right for you and why it might be a better option than its competitors in certain areas. Let's dive right in. First off, EZGO Group offers a solid platform that stands out in a crowded market of similar services. If you're considering them, one thing to note is their competitive pricing. When compared to other platforms in the industry, EZGO Group offers a competitive edge with better pricing packages that often provide more value for the money. While competitors might have steep monthly fees or hidden charges, EZGO keeps things straightforward, which is a big win for budget-conscious buyers. Next thing to know is that EZGO Group has a strong reputation for customer support. If you've ever tried reaching out to other platforms, you know that sometimes support can be lacking or slow. Not the case here. Whether you need technical help or just have a few questions about your account, EZGO's support team is quick to respond and offers personalized solutions. From personal experience, I found their team incredibly helpful when navigating the platform and resolving a few minor setup issues. That level of care is something you can't overlook. The third thing you should consider is ease of use. If you're someone who's not tech savvy, you'll appreciate how intuitive the platform is. Many of their competitors offer features that are packed with complexity, which can be overwhelming. But with EZGO Group, you get a streamlined, user-friendly interface that allows you to access all the key features without any hassle. This makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. The fourth thing to note is the product's scalability. Whether you're just starting out or have a larger project in mind, EZGO Group solutions scale effectively. Some competitors struggle with scaling their services, offering only limited capacity on basic plans. EZGO Group, on the other hand, has the flexibility to handle growth. As your needs evolve, so does the platform, meaning you won't outgrow their service anytime soon. Next thing to consider is integration capabilities. If you're already using other software tools, compatibility is key. EZGO Group has made sure that their platform integrates well with a variety of other popular tools, saving you from having to juggle between multiple platforms. This is an area where some competitors fail, but EZGO Group ensures a seamless experience. The sixth thing to be aware of is the level of customization they offer. Unlike other services that provide rigid solutions, EZGO Group allows you to tailor the platform to fit your specific needs. This flexibility in customization is particularly useful if you need specific features that other platforms just don't provide. From customizing reports to setting personalized notifications, EZGO gives you the power to make the software work for you. Finally, before you pull the trigger, it's important to know about their trial period. Unlike many competitors who offer short or limited trials, EZGO Group provides a comprehensive trial that lets you explore the platform with no strings attached. And if you decide to go for it after your trial, you get access to exclusive benefits that aren't available elsewhere. This gives you a risk-free opportunity to test out everything they offer. So, to wrap it up, if you're thinking about making the switch to EZGO Group, remember that they offer competitive pricing, exceptional customer support, ease of use, scalability, strong integrations, great customization options, and a risk-free trial. This combination makes them stand out in a crowded field of competitors. If you want to try out EZGO Group for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get the best offer available, plus some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else.